Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung ano ang step-by-step process in preparing A3 size paper for plotting purposes. Of course, sa paggagawa nito, ang first step na dapat natin gawin ay i-set up muna natin ang unit scale. Paano nga ba yun? So simply press UN. Stands for units. Now, for length type, select decimal. For the precision, okay nito. And angle type, leave it as it is, also the precision. Insertion scale, dito, since I am an architect, so most of my drawings are in meters. So I'll choose meters. Ayan. And then, for lighting, leave it as it is. And then press OK. Now, once na-set na natin ang unit scale, the second thing that we have to set up is the layer properties. Huwag muna tayo mag-jump into the drawing of the A3 size paper. So, layer properties. So, ito. I made here an example of layer names. So dimensions, major text, minor, so on and so forth. Kung wala pa naman, okay, so gawa kayo halimbawa, double click or right click nyo for the rename layer. Say for example, dimension. So ayan ano. Then sa color, ang default color niyan is white, kagaya nito. So I myself gusto ko ng red. So, okay. Then, for the line type, continue. Line weight, default. Okay. Sa plot, okay lang yan. Leave it as it is. And then, ito. Sa new, viewport, freeze.
A few moments later.
Eto na siya ngayon. Yung ginawa ninyong layering kanina, eto na. Dito natin siya makikita. Okay? Ayan. So, pag-click mo rito, lalabas itong drop-down. Ayan. Layer 0, depth points, dimension, major text, so on and so forth. Now, next thing to do is, yun na. Magdodraw na tayo ng paper. You should establish what paper are you going to use. So, in this particular project, we are going to use the A3 size paper. Ano nga ba ang size ng A3 size paper? Sa mga beginners pa lang, okay, siyempre hindi nyo pa ito ganong alam, no? Ang size ng A3 in millimeters ay 420 by 297 millimeters. Okay, now, tandaan natin na yung unit scale na pinili natin, okay, or sinet natin ay in meters. Now, tapos ang papel na nabanggit ko ay in millimeters. So, ano ang dapat natin gawin? Kasi, hindi pwedeng ang i-input mo rito ay in millimeters, no? In drawing the paper size. Kasi, hindi sila magtutugma. Okay? So, we are now going to convert millimeters into meters. So, paano nga ba yun, no? This is the time na pwede na tayong mag-draw ng A3 size paper. May iba't ibang paraan din ng pag-draw ng A3 size paper, pero itong ituturo ko sa inyo ay isa sa madali din, ano? So, simply type rec, shortcut for rectangular, and then press the enter button or the spacebar button. Okay. Then, put the paper width and the paper height. So, specify first corner point. Click ka anywhere on the screen. O kaya, if you want to start it in the origin, the X and Y, you can press the 0, 0. Okay? So, click here, 0.42, 0.297. Enter. So, ito na yung size ng papel natin. Now, napansin niyo na kulay dilaw siya. Kasi ang active layer or ang current layer is the minor text. This one should be, okay, this one should be the paper layer. Okay, so click mo lang ito, then go back to this, and then press the paper layer. Ayan. So, ayan na. So, naka-paper na siya. And that is the, ayan, and then make current to make the paper layer a current layer. So, ayan na siya. Okay, next. Next thing to do is, syempre, yung title block na. Because this is just the paper size. Offset dito na 1 cm or 10 millimeters from the top. And then from the left, ganun din, 1 cm or 10 millimeters. From the bottom, ganun din, 1 cm or 10 millimeters. And then dito naman from the left, okay, dito is 2.5 cm or 25 millimeters. Okay? So, katulad nito. Ayan. In meters, it is 0.025, 0.010, pareho, 0.010, and then 0.025, galing dito sa corner, papunta rito, and then dito, from the corner, papunta naman dito, 0.010. So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, offset tayo. OK for offset, enter. Type. Okay, by the way, kailangan din natin convert, ano? Baka hindi niyo alam or baka nagkamali kayo. Since 10 millimeters over 1,000 ulit, press, o kaya siya naging 0.01. So, offset tayo ngayon ng 0.01 and then enter. Click this one, select object to offset, click, and then click natin papasok dito towards the center of the paper. Ayan. So, meron na tayong papel, ano? Title block or borderline. Now, next. Sabi ko, itong side na to is dapat 2.5 cm or 25 mm, pero nasa 1 cm pa lang siya. So in this part, pwede natin gawin ay press S for stretch and then enter. I-crossing natin, ano? Crossing is from clicking or dragging from right to left. Ayan. Nakita natin, nagkulay green siya. And then, ang border line niya is hidden or dash lines. And then, click here. Ayan. Tapos, press enter. Ayan. Tapos, click natin, left click, and then drag natin papuntang right, towards the right. Okay? Drag towards the right. Now, kung naka-ortho off kayo, ayan ang mangyayari. So, dapat i-ortho on natin para hindi siya nagagalaw, no? Perfectly nasa horizontal line siya, nasa x-axis. So, that's the time na specify second point, gawin natin is i-input natin ang para maging 0.025 siya is 0.015. Okay, kasi may 0.01 na tayo. And then, enter. So, i-verify natin ulit. Ayan. Ayan, may 0.025 na. Okay? Para dito. Ayan. Okay, 0.025. Since ito ang borderline ng title block natin, nararapat lang din na ang layer name natin ay title block. Okay? So, dapat magkatugma sila. Ano nga bang importance ng paggagamit ng layering in each drawing? Okay? So, dapat alam natin kung ano ang kahalagahan na nagli-layering tayo sa bawat drawing Okay? Kasi mas napapagaan nito or napapadali nito ang ating trabaho kung meron tayong proper layering. Okay? So, that is how important layering is. So, yan. So, ayan. Naka-title block na. So, make it current. Now, from the bottom, okay, click lang tayo dyan ng linya. Again, press L for line and then hit the enter key. Click here and then drag the line here and then enter. Click the line that you made and then press M for move and then enter and then left click and move the cursor going up and then input 0.025 kasi nga 2.5 cm siya or 25 mm and then press the button enter. Ayan. So, double check ulit natin. Ayan. Meron tayong 0.025 meter or 25 millimeters. Okay. Now, gaano nga ba kalalaki yung mga columns natin? So, eto siya, no? Based sa ating model, ito yung first column is for the logo, the second is for the school, the third column is for the CAD operator or the draftsman, okay, who draw the drawing, and then of course the title at the middle, and then after the middle is the check by, okay, of course yours truly, and then second to the last is the plate number, and then lastly is for the ratings, okay, and then go back here. Now, dito naman, so ganun ulit, press line, click here, towards here, and then enter, click it, press M, and then enter, left click, drag it towards the right, and then press the distance which is 0.025. Ayan. Yan ang distance niya according sa model natin. Okay? So, second column is 0.070 meter or 70 millimeters. Another 70 millimeters. So on and so forth. Okay? So, offset, enter key, 0.07, enter. And then click this one, and then click towards the right. Ayan. Click, and then click towards the right. Now, since at the middle is 100 millimeters, okay, so press key enter, and then another enter key. Ayan. O for offset. Now, for this one is 0.10. Enter. Click the select subject and then drag it to the right. Ayan. So, ayan na. So, again, since ito 70 millimeters, O, enter, 0.7, enter, click this, and then click to the right. Again, O, enter, 0.07, enter. Click. Ayan. So, ito na lang ang natitira. 0.05. So, meaning ang kalahati is offset 0.025. Enter. Select, and then drag to the right. Ayan. So, meron na tayo. I-verify natin, ano? Ayan. Kung tama nga. Ayan. So, next. So, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa rows niya. So again, go back to home, click this, make current, and then line tayo ulit, gawa tayo ng line from here. Okay ha, dito sa second column natin, up to here. And then click the line, press M again for move. Okay, drag it to the downward. And then for this one, this should be 5 millimeters. So in meters, 0.005. Press enter. So yan. And then ito, yung nasa gitna natin, that is 1.5 centimeters or 15 millimeters offset, 0.015. Enter. Click this, select subject, and then ayan. So, meron na tayong another row. Okay? Ngayon, dito, we have to trim this. Press TR for trim, and then hit OK. Click this, enter, click this. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan na. Nagawa na natin siyang ganito. Okay?